You know what? I'm taking these off today. Taking these off. We need to get a little more serious today, guys. Guys, I got a light. Um, I got a light. Oh, I can't even look at it. It's so bright. I literally can't see. I literally can't see right now. I got a light that goes on top of the camera. Does it look better? I feel like we're professionals now, guys. I feel like we're professionals. I got this really nice light that came from Amazon yesterday, and it's really really bright. It goes right on top of the camera. It's literally perfect fit, and it just happened to work out. What's good, guys? How we doing? How we doing today? Let's see if we can catch something today. Um, let's just wait for. I'm on a little bit earlier today, huh? Because see if I can catch a trade. Um, you want the stunner shades on? Stunner shades on or off, guys? On or off? Do you want me to be more serious or do you want me to be more fun and have the stunner shades on? You tell me. What do you prefer? Stunner shades on today or stunner shades off? You let me know. If you hate them, I will throw them out. If you like the stunner shades, I will keep them on. I feel like the shades make me more profitable. Same as the Saratoga order. Same as Apex Trader Funding, code TG or TG Capital. Oh, I gotta put my new header on, guys. Um, I gotta put my new header on just so you guys know that um, both of my codes work now, TG Capital and TG, to make it a lot easier for you guys. Let's see if we can catch something today, right? Let's freaking get after it. Let's get after it. How do you guys like the new light? I'm actually going to keep the shades on because I've looked at that light twice now and I literally can't see. It's that bright. It's that bright. So yeah, I got this came from Amazon yesterday and it's freaking awesome. And it just happened to fit the camera. I totally took a guess. I took a guess and it worked out. Sometimes you guess and sometimes you win, guys. Yeah, I got on a little bit earlier. We got 27 minutes till the market opens. Yeah, and we're just gonna see if we can catch something within the first, 15 to 20 minutes of the market opening. And if not, we're gonna go on with the day, and tomorrow's another day, and we're just gonna come to the market, execute our plan, leave our emotions at the door, focus on our statistical edge in the market, and that's all you can do. That's all you can do. As far as swing positions, I didn't see anything I particularly liked, so I didn't take them. And yeah, so as far as swing trades, have not taken any swing positions as I haven't seen anything I particularly like. And let's just see if we can catch more of like an intraday move, maybe a little scalp, maybe a little you know, like intraday swing type of position. We're just gonna see what shapes up today, and if nothing shapes up, then we're just gonna call it a day. That's it. We're gonna focus on our system, on our edge, and if it's not there, then we're not gonna over risk. We're not gonna over trade, and it's gotta be. You gotta come to the market every single day and do the same exact thing every day. Yeah, we got red folder tomorrow, Shakir. How's everyone been doing? Good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing today? You guys are good? We got some. We're gonna do some more giveaways today. Um, and yo, guys, I'll wait for a little bit later in the chat for more people to come in, but I'm short on NQ. Yeah, I mean, shorts do look good as of right now. We had this huge move here. Let's see the 4 hour. Let me go on NAS because I just like to see it better. Yeah, like I said, still coming down after that inversion here. This order block could be the potential of where we go lower before going higher. I mean, this was a huge move here. Huge. So looking at this on the 4 hour, let's see the daily as well. Yeah, I mean this is a huge area of interest here. This is an order block on a daily, and then that's the 4 hour. So right now we're tapping into that daily, but like I said, I don't typically trade order blocks. I'm just going off of what I see based off of what I've learned in the past. I don't trade these at all. I don't trade them. I just know like what they are, and it's like, is this a strong area of interest right now? Yes. As far as like this is going to be another dealing range here from here, this swing low to this swing high, this 50%. What does it also come up to, right? This order block. So there's a chance that we come all the way back down here before going higher. But that's completely, that has nothing to do with my system. It's just based off of what I have some sort of knowledge on in the markets, and that's what potentially could be an area of interest for us. But as far as swings, like, see, let me put my EMAs back on here. Oh, EMA, boom. Okay. As you can see, like our EMAs are now shifting. We're not looking as bullish as we once were now. You see? Things have changed. And we just got to be cautious. Very cautious. Let me put this back on for now. Boom. Yeah, this play here. That. Save. But yeah, I'm going to take this off because we don't need these it's just more excess noise for when we're doing our intraday play. So I'm going to take that off for now, guys. But yeah, how's everyone doing? No, yo, okay. I got this new light, guys. If I look at, like, right now, if I look at this light, I will be blind. I can't see. It's super bright. Honestly, I got it from Amazon. Great. I think it was only like $18. $18, guys. Great deal. You can't pass a deal up like that. So, because I noticed I had the ring light, right? I had the ring light. And I didn't like the stand because the stand is taking up too much room on my desk. So I wanted something that went on the camera. So at first, I deconstructed the ring light, right? I deconstructed it, and I used tape, and I taped that thing around the camera. Dude, it was the most ghetto setup you've ever seen in your life. It was so ghetto. Like, I literally took electrical tape, and I took the ring light, and I attached it to the camera. And then, from then, I then took the electrical tape, and I created, like, a web of, like, electrical tape around the camera and on the ring light, and it was a mess. It was a horrible mess. And I was like, Tyler, you can't be doing this, man. You can't be doing this. You gotta take it a little bit more serious. So then I got a light. And now we got a light. And now I look even more handsome. How do you prepare for trading before market opens? It means waiting for our setup? Shot, yes. 100%. We're just gonna sit and wait for our system. Mr. Jeff, do you advise a new trader to follow your pattern because you might not trade for a whole month? Mr. Jeff, that actually is only one of my entry models that I use. And like I said, you can take whatever you've seen on the Chart Fanatics or the Power of 3, right? Right? Hold on here. Ready? And then you can go and back test, like I tell you guys. Do not copy the same exact way that I trade. It might not even work for you. Take the teachings, right? Look, here we go. Here's some knowledge bomb. Take the teachings, right? And go and back test and tailor it to you as a trader. I have strengths in the market that you guys won't have. You guys have strengths in the market that I will never have. I have weaknesses that you will never have, and you have weaknesses that I will never have. This is an individual game. You gotta go and do the work on your own. You could take little nuggets from me, from other traders, from ICT, from everybody in the space, and then you could create your own system. But you do not look at me. Let me look at you. Let me look at you in the face when I do this. Let me make this very clear. Let me look at you right in the camera right now. You do not copy how somebody else trades. You do not. ever do it, ever, look at me, ever do that, you tailor the system to yourself. Let me look at you one more time when I say this. You do not copy how another person trades. Ever. I don't care who it is. Never. It'll never work. Thank you. Thank you. I had to make that evidently clear. Do not do that ever. Now that I can't see it because I just stared into the light, I had to make that very clear for you guys. You have to go and do this on your own. You have to make it your. Listen, I've been doing this for 6 years. I tried to copy other traders. I've tried to copy exact systems. I tried mechanical models. I've tried how other traders traded, and it failed every single freaking time. Every single time, because it doesn't matter. Even if they give you a direct blueprint of whatever the hell is going on, you still won't execute it the same way. You won't. You will not. It's factual information. You have to go and do the back testing and see the edge play out in your testing. You're the edge. Not me, not the strategy, not ICT, not anybody out there. Okay? You, the trader, you are the edge in the market. Yourself. Tim, I appreciate it. I take pride in my green eyes. Do you guys like my green eyes? I take pride in them. I love them. Thank you, Tim. Exactly. Find yourself in you. 100%. Good morning, Tyler. Been watching your streams and loving your energy. You have a new subscriber. Appreciate you, brother. Yo, love you, bro. Thank you. I appreciate you. I'm trying to get my subs up. I think we just hit 4K subs. We have 4K subs. We're growing quick. We're growing freaking quick, and I love it. I'm super excited, and I'm going to bring you guys the best content possible. And as far as like knowledge and real life stuff, real edge, and psychology tips, and tips to make you a better trader. And I feel like not a lot of people are offering that, and especially someone who's actually, look at me, actually, real life has been through it. All of my money has come from the markets. Every single freaking dime that I've ever made. Let me make this clear. Every single dime that I've made from trading was from trading. Trading. Pushing the button on the charts. And I'm as real as it gets. And I'm going to tell you guys, sometimes you need a guy out there that's going to give you tough love. Okay? It's not all sunshine and rainbows, guys. And this is the thing, is that you need someone who's going to give you the harsh truth and the harsh reality. And I'm that guy. I love you to death, but sometimes you need to hear the truth. And that there is no magic strategy. There is no holy grail. I'm not your holy grail. I'm just a guy who loves to stream and loves to help you guys. You guys can see the way I trade, hopefully take some of my knowledge and implement it into your own trading, and then be the best trader that you can be. Not be a TG Capital trader. You're your own trader. You're your own success. You're your own story. You are the storyline of you. So make that and go and curate that to yourself. You're not a reflection of me. You're your own. You're your own story. So make it your own. Make your model your own. And yeah, I just wanted to make that very, very clear before we started here today and have a great trading day. I always need to come and give you guys some knowledge. Good morning, Conroy. Yo, run the likes up. The more likes we get, the more giveaways we do. So I got my giveaways. Bella, literally as soon as I asked her for more giveaways, got it. I got it right away. Do you know why? Because Bella's the best. And yeah. So we're going to do some more giveaways today. Every single 25 likes, we'll do another giveaway. So 25, 50, 75, 100. If we get over 100, guys, I might just strip down nude on this stream because that's great. That's a great amount of likes. Guys, I have to tell you what happened to me. So, went to the gym this morning. Had an amazing workout. Did shoulders, chest, and tries. Feeling jacked, feeling good. But yesterday, I didn't even tell you what happened. Went to the gym, right? And I was doing back and biceps. So I hit my back, right? And then I'm doing biceps. And there's this sick machine, right? It's like a preacher curl. And I'm doing it. I'm going to change the weight. And there's like these two metal bars that it basically keeps your elbow stabilized. So it's like there's the pad for your arm, for where you're keeping your arms, and then it has things on the side for your elbows, so your elbows don't flare out. And it has like these two metal pieces that go on the end of it. I go to change the weight, and I'm walking back. Look, hold on, I'll show you the full story. I'm walking back, right? I'm walking back. Okay, hold on here. I'm walking back, and I walk, guys. I'm telling you, I walk right into the metal part, right on my rib. I mean, yo, guys, I hit this thing so hard, it nearly put me to the floor. You guys gotta look at the bruise I got. Look at this shit. Look at that. It hurts so bad. Guys, I legit, I literally, I think I broke a rib. I walked into this thing so hard. I was like, boom. I went to the floor. I'm like this. Everyone's looking at me. I'm nearly crying. I'm like, oh my, I go lift my shirt up, right? Boom, look at that. You see that? Guys, I think I broke a rib. I think I freaking broke a rib. But yeah, I'm pretty sore today, guys, from that. I'm such an idiot. I walked into that thing so hard. It really hurt. Really hurt. Hurt bad. Hurt real bad. But yeah, that was how my day went yesterday. Oh man, that freaking hurt. I crushed a rib, guys. I crushed a freaking rib. But anyway, let's see how we're playing out today. What do we got? We got about 13 minutes till the market opens. Oh, okay, I got my phone. How are you now? I feel a bit better today. Just sore. Like if I touch it, it's like right under my nipple. Hurts, guys. I literally went right into that thing as hard as I could. It was bad. I got home and I got back to my apartment. I'm like, oh my god, what was that? And I lift my shirt up. I go, oh jeez, and I had like a huge bruise already. And now it's always like worse the next day. So I'm a little bit more sore today. But yeah, that was how my day went yesterday. Literally almost broke a rib, but I'm feeling better today. Um, Guys, I'm hoping we could see something nice here today. Let's just see how this is looking very bearish right now. Like we have this inversion here. Like just going off of what I'm seeing, like all these PD arrays are getting disrespected. These are getting respected, as you can see. These fair value gaps are being respected here. Consequent encroachment being respected. But none of this right now is part of my system, so we don't trade it. We don't trade it. Do you want to know why? I don't have data on it. TG, how you decide targets in the Trident pattern? Shakir, are you going to go over your 9:30 strategy today? We're gonna try and see if we can get a play today, John. We're gonna try and see if we can get a play. TG, how do you decide targets in the Trident pattern? So based off of my I would say, guys, when I'm hitting my Trident patterns, the RRs, it's you could call me crazy. My minimum RR I do is like a 1 to 10, but I'm not going to tell you how to manage them, Shakir. You like you and Logan have been doing. Just keep back testing, and then through your data, right? You'll be like, okay, I usually generate this RR. Is it better if I scale 50%? Is it better if I go break even at some point? I'm not going to tell you how to manage the trade. That I won't do. I'm not going to tell you how to manage the trade. You're going to manage the trade however you deem fit. You're doing an amazing job, whether it's the PO3 or the Trident. You and Logan are crushing it. Just keep gathering data and then write it down. It's like, okay, typically when I see a Trident pattern, what's my typical RR? Do I hinder myself by cutting profits too early? Would it be more beneficial if I took 50% partials? Would it be better if I took a quarter off? You have to manage the trade however you deem fit, and however it suits you, and however your goals as a trader, and however you could personally sit through a trade. Like some people will never be able to sit through a 1 to 51 RR trade like I did. It's just some people don't have it in them to be able to sit through that, and that's fine. That doesn't mean that you can't make the model work for you. That means that, okay, maybe I'm more comfortable with putting on a little bit more risk and going for just a 1 to 10 or a 1 to 5. Do you know? It's like that, and that's what I tell you is that don't copy what I do. Do not. Just take whatever I teach and then go and backtest it yourself. And go and curate it to your own. Nothing I do, I want you guys to replicate 100%. I just want you to go and be like, okay, Tyler's saying this. Maybe this could work for me. Maybe he has some knowledge here. Because I've been doing this for a while, and I tried a lot of other strategies and been around this for a while now, and I just do what works for me. That's not to say that something else that you guys learned from me and another trader won't work for you. That and everybody, the sooner you understand that, the more success that you'll have in these markets. Is that the more you get away from trying to find someone that's going to give you something that's going to make you profitable, but you are the person that's going to make you profitable. You have to come to the market and be like, okay, fair value gaps come easy to me. I don't like trading ranging markets. I don't see as much success in ranging markets. You have to go through failures of this shit, guys. Look at me. You have to go through failures and burning accounts and losing money and not seeing positive results in your backtesting for you to be able to get to the point where you're like, I suck at ranging markets. I'm not the best short position trader. I do better in trending long position markets. Why? Because I failed and burned accounts doing the opposite. And it takes and unfortunately you're going to have to go through some periods of crap and losing accounts and being in periods of drawdown for you to learn that maybe I should stay away from that. And the only way you're going to be able to know is if you physically go through that shit yourself. Not do I do it, not if somebody else does it, not if JCap does it, not if Kane does it, not if any other trader does it, except for you. You have to go through this. I burned accounts. I burned every single dollar I had. My girlfriend paid my rent for me. I went through all the crap. You have to go through some of this shit, guys. You have to. You have to. I know it sucks to hear it, right? And nobody's going to tell you that it's going to happen, right? You're like, oh, look, you're never going to go through this. You're going to go through this. You're going to go through this crap. So it's just what it is. It's what it is. And the sooner you recognize that you may not see the results that you want right away, the better off you'll be, because now you could be like, okay, this isn't a get rich quick. You're gonna be an overnight success. Like once it does click and you finally find that edge and you have a statistical mathematical edge in the market, the success happens quick. But you guys didn't see me. You didn't see me before this. Before I had social media, before I was crying because I was burning money and I didn't know what to do and I had no direction and I hated my life and I was sad and I was pissed off at the fucking world because I was working a job that I hated. Jonathan, I'm gonna tell you right now, bro. Every day you come in here and you're pissing me off. You're pissing me off. Every day you come in here, bro. I think it's best you go watch someone else. Every day you come in here and it's just like it's nonsense. Every day. Every day. So I think it's best for you to go watch someone else. It's every single day. I have made a prime script of your 30-minute strategy, but I'm not sure where to enter. I am backtesting on London, 8 to 11:30 a.m. USD pairs. Like I said, it's not a 100% mechanical model, so to try and create something that's going to be coded, you may not see the best results from it. You're better off backtesting yourself and making refinements that way. That's fine. That's fine. But you come here and you think that like I showed you the strategy a million times. Go watch the videos and go do some work on your own, Jonathan. Go do some work on your own. Go do some work on your own, bro. You come in here every day and you want me to just hand feed you shit. It's not happening. And now look, I was nice, bro. I was nice. But it's every single day, dude. It's every day. And it's on Twitter. It's all over the place, bro. It's relentless. You gotta chill. If you don't see what you like from me, look, go watch someone else. That's totally fine. No harm taken. But you just gotta come here and you gotta relax. Or you're gonna have to exit. I'm sorry, bro. It's just getting out of hand now. It's getting out of hand. So that's where I stand on the whole thing. See? Shakir. Jonathan, do you notice that Shakir and Logan, they watch my videos, right? Look, they watch my videos. Shakir has never, even Logan, it's fine to ask questions, but I'm telling you right now, Logan and Shakir have never probably, they asked me a few questions. A few. And that's it. And they go and look at Shakir's results. Look at Logan's results. No, Johnny, you didn't. Johnny, you didn't miss anything. I was just saying, Jonathan. He comes in here and he gets like aggravated at me, like he's physically mad, like he's mad that I'm not. He feels that I'm doing only things for myself when that couldn't be farther from the truth. And if you do feel that way, right, just leave the stream. Go watch somebody else. If you're not getting value from me, and listen, no hard feelings at all. No hard feelings at all. Just leave, please. I feel like I do more than enough, and I feel like I'm providing as much value to you as possible. And if you don't think that I am, then that's totally fine. Go watch somebody. Go watch another streamer. That's cool. No hard feelings. No hard feelings whatsoever. But anyway, let's dial in. Let's dial in. Let's dial in today. Let's see. I do think that potentially, guys, we could see a play like to rebalance some of this move right here. But let's just be patient. We have to see something that we like. We have to see something that we like, guys. Let me make sure my Ninja Trader's up here. Let me get my Ninja Trader up. Because, guys, I'm trading my Apex accounts. We're trading Apex. We're going for $1 million together. The road to $1 million. 80% off code TG Capital or code TG at the best firm in the entire industry, ApexTraderFunding.com. Okay, and I'm trading my Apex accounts, but I have my trading view up, but I need to have my my Ninja Trader up. So my Ninja Trader's up right on the side. You guys can't see it, but I tried to put the Ninja Trader window up, guys, but for some reason Streamlabs doesn't like to show it. It doesn't. It's like an application that it's a black screen. So just know that if I do execute a trade, I'll call it here and I'll have my Ninja Trader and I'll show you guys after. It's literally right here on the screen. You guys just can't see it because I don't know why Streamlabs doesn't like showing Ninja Trader. It's very weird. But let's dial in. Let's dial in here. Let's see if we can get something right. Road to $1 million, baby, for the boys. Don't let them piss you off. I don't want to mess up the trade. No, we're good. We're good. We're good. Are you using wealth charts with Apex? Tom, I'm on Ninja Trader. I'm on Ninja Trader. Like I said, Tom, I had my wealth charts accounts. If you hold on, let me just see something here. Okay. Tom, I had my wealth charts accounts, right? And I told you guys, if you didn't know, I had them, and I took a trade on the plane, right? I took a trade on the plane from New York visiting my parents back to Miami. A+ setup, 4-hour PO3, gorgeous on NQ. I get in, I'm up like $2,000, and I didn't trail my stop. Next thing you know, Wi-Fi goes out. Wait, and I can't get out of the trade. Guess what happens to the account? C'est la vie. 150K account, gone. Why? Because I couldn't get out of the trade. Because I'm in the air. I'm in an aircraft. Guys, don't ever trade on a plane. Bad idea. Just wait until you get home. And you know what? I got humbled. So right now, oh, here we go. 9:30. Oh, dump it. Whoa. Wow. No trades as of yet, guys. No, it's all good, Tom. I'm working. I have the 50Ks right now, and I'm working on passing them. So hopefully, I can get them funded again soon, and we'll be back on the road to $1 million. Things happen, guys. You just gotta adapt. It was totally my fault. I deserved everything that happened, and you just live and learn. That's all you can do. You live and learn, bro. Let's see if we can get something here. All right, so we're pushing up. potentially filling this range that we had to the left here. But as far as higher time frame narrative goes, I'm still sitting. I'm not seeing anything. Why not 300K? Because the this is how I see it. This is how I see it, Shakir. The 300Ks, the profit to drawdown ratio is rough, man. It's rough, and I do better getting over. I'd rather build my own buffer, and then I could. The 300Ks to me, it's just like once you get funded, then you have to go all the way and build that buffer. It's a lot of work, man. It's a lot, and you're better off, in my humble opinion. I wouldn't go over. I would stick with the 150Ks because the profit to drawdown ratio is very very good. You have $5,000 of drawdown, and then you only need to make $9,000, as opposed to the 300Ks. It's like you know I think it's like a 1 to 3 profit to drawdown ratio. Would you guys like me to make a video on that, showing you like the best Apex accounts to get as far as what I deem the most profitable? Would you guys like a video, like a YouTube video on that? I could make one. What you think about gold? Please. Okay, yo, I'll get that done. That would be great content. I'll make a video on that. I'll actually film that today. I'll film it today, and I'll go through everything. That's actually a really good video idea. I got you, Shakir. I got you. You're always asking great questions, Shakir. You and Logan. You guys are freaking awesome. Hi, Tyler. Very glad to have found you. Thanks to Chart Fanatics. Studying the playbook right now. Awesome, man. Awesome, Alex. I'd love to hear that. All right, yeah, you guys want to see that? I will make a video on that today. I'll get it done. I'll get it done. 100%. Logan, what's good, my boy? What's good, my boy? How we doing? Guys, maybe potential inversion. I'm coming from options props. Confused me a little. Okay, I got you guys. I got you. I'll make an Apex video. I'll get it out. Let me put my glasses on. Guys, potential inversion play maybe here. Let's see. This is just completely freaking plummeting to the bottom of the earth. Let's see. Like I said, look where we're heading. Probably this order block. But we're just going to focus on our system. No trade just yet. No trade just yet. Potential inversion maybe here. We're going to mark it out fair value gaps. Here. We got one here. We got one forming here as well. Potentially. Let's see. We're just going to be patient. Guys, if I don't get anything, actually around 950, I'm going to head out because Tay, if you guys don't know, Tay's my beautiful girlfriend, soon-to-be fiance, and she's got a meeting with work. So we're gonna, if I don't see anything by 950, gonna head off, and I'm gonna make that video when she's done with her meeting. I'll make the video for Apex, and I'll talk about the accounts that I recommend, and because think about it, you know what? I'm gonna wait for the video. I'll wait for the video because I'm gonna drop a lot of good knowledge on it, and I'll hook you guys up. All right, guys, if we can get another fair value gap here. Okay, hold on. If we can get another FVG here, right? And we could close above these two, I'll potentially be looking for longs. But let's just see. Let's see. Oh, look who's here. Look who's here. Everyone say hi to Bella right this second. Hey, right this second, you say hi to Bella right now. Right now. Right now. She is my adopted stepmom, and we love her, and she's with Apex, and she's the best. Bella, I'm actually going to make, I don't know if you heard before, but I'm going to make a video after this. The people want to see what evaluations I recommend the most, and go through like as far as the profit to drawdown ratio goes. I feel like that could be a really good video, and I'm gonna make that after the stream today, talking about what I recommend as far as the best profit to drawdown ratio, what accounts I feel the best are for traders, and which ones can help you see the best results as far as not hindering you and holding you back. So I'll make a freaking awesome video on that today. Once we're done with the stream, and once Tay is done with her meeting, I'll get that done because I feel like that's a really good video, and it provides a lot of value for people. And guys, like I said, I'm always here to help you guys out, and I feel like I know what the best accounts are, but you also have to go with how you are as a trader, and I could just give you advice from my end. And then you could go and try what I tell you guys. And if you like the bigger accounts and because you like the larger drawdown. But I'll save all that for the video. But I think it'll be a really good video, and hopefully, you guys get a lot of value from it. And I'll share it on all my socials as well. Always trying to get good Apex content out for you guys, and I feel like that's a good way to do it. And that'll be an awesome video. So I'll get that done today. I'm gonna make it as soon as I'm done with the stream. But as far as trades for right now, we're not seeing nothing. This is going to be our cutoff here. Let's see if I can get just a regular vertical line to 950. If we don't see anything by here, we're out. We don't see anything by the macro, we're out. So I would like to see these inversions get, I would like to see these fair value guys get inversed. And everyone, Chart Fanatics live stream every single Wednesday. Yes, every single Wednesday. Tomorrow, guys, no stream here, but I will be streaming on Chart Fanatics. Okay? So just know, tomorrow there's going to be no stream on my personal channel, but I will be in the Chart Fanatics channel for even longer. I'm going to be on from 9 to 11. We'll try and take a live trade. We'll discuss any questions you guys got. And, we'll go over anything that you guys want to see. If you guys want to see something particular me talk about on Chart Fanatics tomorrow, drop it in the comments here on the video. And I'll go over it tomorrow on the live stream on Chart Fanatics. But yes, every single Wednesday. Last week was Thursday because I was coming back from New York and I switched with Marco. And when you're done with the stream here, go watch Marco on Chart Fanatics because he's freaking awesome. That's a homie of mine and that's my boy. And go support the channel. Go support him when we're done here. Drop a link. You know what? I'll put. Okay, let me see if I can. Oh. Okay, let me do that after stream. I'll get a link. Okay? After stream, I'll drop a link. Because I got some personal information up here that I don't want you guys to see, to be honest. I loved your interview with Chart Fanatics with your 30-minute setup. Thank you, bro. Oh, look, Bella already did it. See, Bella's the best. Bella's the best. All right, guys. I loved your interview. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Bella. Okay, guys, we have one inversion here. If we could close above this one here, I may be interested for a long. I want to close above here. Close above this one, and I'll take a stay up long. And my stop will be here. My stop will be below this fair value gap, and I'll ride long. But for right now, still just waiting. Still waiting. Let's see. I want to close above here, guys. Give me a close above here, above this other one, and I'll go long, and I'll have a stop here. I'll probably just take it with 2 contracts, keep the risk relatively light, but we have to invert this before 950. If we don't, it's no trade. So let me see here. Let's just be patient. Okay, Jonathan, take it easy, bro. Have a good one. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Give me a nice little inversion. I got one, but I want to see one more. Because in my back testing, this has a large chance of it coming back down. When it happens with two, the probabilities are way higher. Like I said, this is a lower probability setup. Like you could be in on this trade, right? You could be in on this trade right now, but I just want to wait. You could be in here, stops below this fair value gap. That's fine. That's fine. I just think that this is a lower probability setup. I just want to wait. Like I said, you guys can trade it however you want. You want to take this inversion play, maybe target these highs right here. Go ahead. But as far as me, I'm still waiting. I'm still going to wait. And I'm okay with that. And guys, I'm being very patient in my trading now. Very, very patient. Hey, Tyler, thanks for all the value you bring. It has helped me a lot with my trading. Thanks, man. Yo, I love to hear that, bro. I appreciate you. And I'm going to bring as much value as I can because I love you guys. See? Look, guys, do you see why I didn't take this first inversion? Watch. I'm going to show you why. Oh, yeah. What am I, on NAS? Yeah, I meant to be on NQ. Sorry, guys. I was on the 4-hour chart. This is where we want to be. We had one inversion. Close above here, and I'm long. Close above here, and I'm long. Give me a close above this high, and I'm in. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, go. Close above this high, and I'll drop. I'll take 2 cons long. Here we go. Good push. Good push. I'll take a long if we close above here, and my stops will be below this fair value gap. If I get stopped, I get stopped. But I want to see us close above. I really want to see a closure above. This way we disrespected two fair value gaps. Like I said, you could have entered here. I just want to wait until I get a closure above, and then I'll get in. But this was a solid inversion here. I just want to wait, guys. Let me see. Let me see if I can cook something up here. But it has to happen before 9:50. It has to. That's my cutoff there. It's got to happen before 9:50. I want it to happen before the macro. And I got my Ninja Trader up on the side. Come on, baby. Come on. Get up there. Nice. Okay, we're waiting. We need to close. We need to close. I need a candle close. I need the candle to close. Not yet. Not yet. I'm waiting. 1 minute chart. I got 30 seconds. I want to see this candle close. We close above this range. I'm in. See? No close. See? That's why you wait for closures. This is why you wait for closures. No close. Give me a close above and I'm in. This is why you wait. Come on. You like ES? Let me see ES. ES is nice too. I want a closure below. ES is better. I just don't like us being all the way up here. NQ is just a mess, man. Johnny, are you in on ES, Johnny? I still didn't get a closure above. I get a closure above, I'm in. Give me a sign of life. Turn on the magnet on your... Oh, okay. Oh, really, Johnny? I mean, Logan? Wait, what does it do? Who needs Netflix? This is entertainment. This is entertainment. Your screen to draw FVGs more accurately. I didn't even know that, Logan. Oh, you genius. You're a freaking genius, bro. You are a freaking genius. Yeah, see, nothing yet. You know what? You know what I think I need here? I tell you right now. This is what I need. I need this. Get up there! Get up there! You can use Control Command if you. No, I'm on a PC. You see, guys? Look at it. Look. This is why you wait for candle closures. This is what. This is why. Right here. To avoid this nonsense. You see? You see? Look what I told you. Do you see what I mean here? Do you see what I mean? This is why you exercise patience. Look at that. Look, we tapped in. What did we do here? All this move was a fake out to come, rebalance price. Look, equilibrium inside this fair value gap, drive lower. Higher time frame narratives is bearish. We didn't get in on this trade. Do you see what I'm talking about? Do you see what I'm talking about? That's why we wait. No trade today. There's gonna be no trade. There's gonna be no trade. This was excellent patience, guys. We avoided a loss. We avoided a good loss today. That's why you wait. And the magnet, and you see, guys, it basically has a lot to do with the magnet. Everything in life has to do with the magnet. Okay? If you don't have the magnet, you got nothing. You got nothing. And then you also need to have, guys, whenever you're trading, right? Hold on here. Hold on here. Hold on here. Where is it? Hold on. I can't find it. Anyway, it's all about the magnet. There's going to be no trade for me today, which is totally cool. I'm cool with that. I am cool with that. Yo, how can somebody tell me how many likes we have currently? I can't see. Can somebody please let me know how many um likes we're at? And guys, you got to know that no trade and preservation of capital is also a win. Mr. Jeff, I call this it's all about the Magneto. It's all about it. Look, it drives price. It drives it. Like, oh, see, look, it's working. Look, it's working. Look at it. 23. Ugh. All right, well, we'll do one giveaway today. I'm going to pick someone. Listen, I know who's active in here and who's here every single day. And who's here every single day. Who needs an Apex account? Who needs an Apex account? And be honest. Tell me who needs an Apex account. I got you guys. I want to hook you guys up. Trading from a park in Manhattan. Beautiful day to not get faked out. Johnny, I love that. I love that. So no trade for you today, Johnny? Okay, I already know who I'm giving it to. GK. GK, I got you, my boy. I got you. Yo, GK, just send me a DM on Twitter. Send me a DM on Twitter, and I got you. Guys, if we had more likes, I would give out more accounts. John, I'm gonna give you your account. I got the new accounts. Trading in London town. Oh, sweet. All right, yeah. GK. Oh, we don't, Mr. Jeff. We don't give those accounts away here. We only work with the best prop firm in the industry, Apex Trader Funding. GK, I got you, bro. Yo, just DM me on Twitter, okay? And send me a screenshot. I got you. Johnny, I'm gonna send you that too. Because I know that I sent you an older code. I forgot to mark it on my Excel spreadsheet. I got all new codes. As soon as I'm done with the stream, I'm gonna be sending them out. I'm gonna get that Apex video. What do you guys want to see in the Apex video? Let me know. Can you drop comments? Because I gotta get off here because Tay's got a meeting. I'm gonna make that video, guys. Been following you for a minute, and now I catch you live. Hell yeah, Ben. There's always gonna be a chance to win. Listen. I get a ton of accounts. Bella always gives me tons and tons of accounts. I can give away accounts every single day. I just want to get a little bit more likes on the stream. It's not so much to ask. Every 25 likes, I would like to give an account away. I feel like it's not difficult for someone to just come in here, help the stream grow, and just drop a like. It helps me out, man. It really does. And the more likes you get, the more accounts I'll give away. But yeah. So, guys, can you please just let me know what you want to see in the Apex video? I'm going to film it today. No, Benny, no trade today. No trade. How do I make sure I tune in from the start of your next session? So tomorrow, Lee, tomorrow we'll be on Chart Fanatics YouTube channel. I stream every single Wednesday on Chart Fanatics. So tomorrow we won't be streaming here. We'll be streaming on Chart Fanatics. So yes, I do want to get that started too. A free Discord for you guys so we can just hang out and chill. But the winners, GK, DM me on Twitter. And the other two winners that I gave you the accounts, but they were older. They were older codes. I'm going to send you your new codes that I got from Bella. I'm going to film the Apex video. Please drop something in the comments that you want to see, particularly for me to film in the Apex video. I will get it done. I have to run because Tay has a meeting, and I love you guys. Please join the Chart Fanatics stream tomorrow. I want to see every single one of you there tomorrow. So I'll be on Chart Fanatics at 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. New York time, Eastern Standard Time tomorrow, okay? I love you guys. I got to go. I'll see you.